How did you survive the COVID recession? A bunch of people lost their jobs at one point and couldn't pay rent. How did you handle that? I watched a short video about Charlie Munger, and he was talking about unemployment, and he said some things that were. I really wish I remember the video, but he was talking about unemployment and how a significant number of people contributed to their own unemployment, and those that wanted to work continued to do so. And I think there's a lot of truth to that, right? There's also a difference in markets. So it's not like our portfolio is in an area where we serve like middle management or kind of like C-level suite people. We serve, uh, for the most part, like entry level employees. So if our average rent is 850, $900, then most it's industry standard to require that people make 3 to 4 times gross, not net, but gross income monthly. So 800 bucks, that is $2,400 per month. 900 bucks, that's $2,700 per month. So making $2,400 to $2,700 per month for most people isn't that difficult, especially the people, since COVID, a lot of fast food places, even, in areas like the Midwest, are paying like 15 bucks per hour. So let's just meet in the middle, $2,500 divided by 15. That's 166 hours divided by 4. It's 41 hours gross per month. Excuse me, 41 hours a week to qualify for one of these properties that we own. Ever since COVID happened, like everybody's been hiring. We really didn't have to do anything. The people that lost their jobs, they were able to find new jobs very quickly. The people that were problems during this were problems before this. And then another funny thing has happened because certain nonprofits have received a significant amount of money to help people pay their rent that were somehow, quote unquote, inadvertently impacted by COVID. Well, what that has caused is a lot of people purposefully falling behind on their rent so that they qualified for the assistance that's available. So that's interesting in and of itself. Thanks for watching that clip. I thought that was a good question. And I think you can ask good questions too. Join us every Friday morning at 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time for a live stream Q&A where we answer plenty of questions just like this one. In the meantime, consider subscribing to the channel if you want more of this content. And if you want to increase your deal flow, analyze properties better, and help me feed my family, click the link below for a free 7-day trial of PropStream.